Here's some special like GTR, Corvette, C7, C8. These three. Here we have this Corvette C8. Problem of the car is the amplifier is not working. There is no noise in the car. Radio is not working. So we will check that what is the problem. This is 06. Let's see a GTR. Let me start the car. There is no sound. That is the problem. So now we are going to diagnose that what is the problem with the car. So I have connected the computer. We'll go to GTS. It's obviously 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. Ah. So this is the problem. We are going to check the wiring of the car. If there is any problem in the wiring or either the amplifier is faulty. So that is a problem in the amplifier. So let us check now the radio. What is the problem in the radio? These are the problem in the radio. Internet, bus 7, coaxial cables. So we'll check the radio control. Radio control is clear. We are going to check the wiring for the amplifier. Those are Ethernet can. So as you can see, Ethernet can here at the radio module is at 9 and 10. Sorry, 9 and 8. Here, and the amplifier is in 1 and 2. So there is your amplifier. Here, those wiring are all damaged and repaired. So everything is working perfectly of this car, but the problem of the car is there is no sound. There is no sound in the radio. And the amplifier is giving us lot of Ethernet cables. So we are going to fix that issue. We will check the wiring. So maybe the wiring is not connected. So now we have done the wiring. All about the cane wiring. So let me check. Now there is no problem, no fault ports. Let me also check the stereo. Yeah, it's making noise finally. Before it was
at weo.io/business. This is The Agenda with Kalimat Nusantara.
Problem was in the wiring, but there is no fault in the radio module. Also, there is no problem in the amplifier. But the problem now is only one speaker is working and the rest of them are not working. So let me check for that as well. Because the car was water flood and the customer have repaired the wiring somewhere else. So now we are making them align as they came from the company. We have done our job.